Hello guys, how are you doing? Let's move on to page 53 in your workbooks in the section Grammar, Simple Past Negative. So in this section, what you have to do? You have to complete the sentences from Hilary's blog and complete the rule. In exercise number 1, we have 3 sentences. We go back to the previous page to check how we build a sentence in the negative. So let's go back there and check some examples together. So here we have Hilary's vacation blog. And let's see if we can find any sentences in the negative in paragraph number 1. So let's see. Okay, so last sentence of paragraph number 1. I didn't really want to go. So I have didn't and the verb want. So this word here, didn't, is going to indicate the simple past in the negative. Let's check another one in the second paragraph. But the ash didn't destroy the buildings. So I have again the word didn't and the verb destroy. Let's see if we have another one. Okay. Most probably I cannot find it. Oh, we have it here also in the second paragraph. The trip didn't take long. So let's go back to the other page and put it here. Let me see if I can go to the answers page. So I didn't really want to go. The trip didn't take long, and the ash didn't destroy the buildings. So 3 sentences in the simple past. What can you realize and tell me about the construction of the simple past? So we have a particle and the verb. How does this verb come to us? Let's check in the rule. So, to make any verb negative in the simple past, we use didn't plus base form of the verb. So, when we have affirmative, like for example, oh, I played video games yesterday. I put the verb play with ed, I played. Then, when you put this sentence in the negative, I'm going to use didn't and the verb in the original form, in the base form. So you say, I didn't play video games yesterday. In exercise number 2, let's check together. Here are some more things Hilary wrote about Pompeii. Make them negative. So we have 4 sentences. Then pause this video, take your notebook and write these sentences in the negative. Remember, we have the sentence in the affirmative. We visited all of the houses. In the negative, we didn't visit all of the houses. So I put didn't and the verb in the base form. Take some minutes, then we come back to solve this exercise. Let's do exercise number 2 together. So, I wanted to go home. When I put in the negative, I'm going to put didn't and the verb without ed. I didn't want to go home. Then the poor people didn't live in big houses. Number 3, Dad order a pizza for lunch. Then I'm going to put didn't, and the verb goes back to the base form. Then it rained in the afternoon. Then I'm going to put didn't, and the verb goes back to the base form. So 4 sentences in the negative related to the simple past.